Anything. And today we're going to be trying to make slime like the last time. As you guys know, last time when I tried to mix lotion together, it didn't work. But this time it's going to be good. I wanted to make this video because I wanted to do it for fun. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys can try this. And let's get on to the video. Okay, I have this small cup that I haven't used since last year, so I washed it out because it was really dusty, as you can see. But yeah, and I have this glue. It's very heavy. Don't mind. Anyway, yeah, the heavy oil from my activator. Then I have some soap. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to put some glue in. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to put a lot inside, but I guess that's enough. Next, I'm going to put on my soap. So let's put the soap in. Okay, that was mostly a lot, but yeah. Then the last thing we're going to have baby oil. So it's a lot. Okay, now I have this little Q-tip and I'm going to mix it. Okay, I just had a great idea. I'm going to use laundry detergent. And, well, I asked my mom wanted me to do it, so I use laundry detergent. Okay, I put a lot of laundry detergent in there. It's blue. Now I'm just going to mix it. It worked! It's working! So now we're just going to get in there, mix it. It's really sticky. And kids, if you're watching this, make sure you have a parent to do it with you, and if you want to do this, please use it in your bathroom. It's really, really slimy and really sticky. But I might have messed it up, but we were so close. But I kind of made it so sticky, putting too much laundry detergent in it. But please do this, and you can try this at home. It's easy, but just ask a parent to help you, because you might need help using your laundry detergent. But yeah, That's all you need to do. Glue, baby oil, soap, and laundry detergent. But it's really sticky. But I'm gonna get this off my hand right now. So I'm gonna wash my hands. The sink is right here. So like, it kinda works, not really. So, almost finished. Anyway, that was the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it, and you know, this video was actually more of a succeed because it turned into slime, but it was too sticky. I made it too sticky. I think it's because I put too much laundry detergent in it, but don't put too much laundry detergent in it. Just put a little and you're finished. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below if you did. And bye.